everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, after the Crown Gospel Awards, Thina Zungu posted something that implicated Dumi Mkokstad and his brand Shama Records. Thina said Unyathi no banda bawathenga matikiti ngizwe ngoDumi. This was a joke according to Thina, but it was not well received, especially to those implicated nalabo abangazange bawine. In a statement by Shama Records on behalf of Dumi Mkokstad, it reads as follows. Official statement. A Facebook post written by Thina or Mr. Thina Zungu on Sunday, 28 November 2021 was posted publicly, which implicated Mr. Dumi Mkokstad without his knowledge. Mr. Dumi Mkokstad was made aware of the post on the 1st of December 2021 and is in shock of such false accusations. This post stated that Mr. Dumi Mkokstad informed Thina Zungu that other artists purchased awards. This conversation never took place between Thina and Mr. Dumi Mkokstad, nor is he in knowledge that such activities exist. We have reached out to Mr. Thina Zungu to question him regarding this false accusation, and he has apologized, stating that it was a joke. We would like to strongly discourage such a false statement to be made implicating Mr. Dumi Mkokstad, which has not only affected Mr. Dumi Mkokstad's brand but other entities too. Purchasing of the award is fraudulent, and anyone involved in such activities should be brought to question. We would like to distance Mr. Dumi Mkokstad and Shama Record from this false statement and apologize to anyone who may have been offended. We congratulate all the winners, and we will always extend our support and gratitude to the awards on behalf of Mr. Dumi Mkokstad. Guys, Thina also wrote a public apology. This is a public apology to Dumi and his friends and his associate. Mentioning igama lakhe in one of my posts I posted on Sunday. I didn't mean any harm to anyone. I'm really sorry. Awadayisi futhi awathengwa. I hope niyezwa ngithi awadayisi. I'm sorry nakunyathi no banda bengizidlalela mina kwadlaleka kabi ozithobayo uThina Zungu. So guys, it was a joke, but a bad joke, and I hope he learned his lesson. Dumi and Thina are best friend, and most people were worried that this would destroy their relationship. On the followers, or one of the followers zika Dumi Mkokstad ubhale wathi, it was a joke ngahambanga kahle. Please don't take it personal. Usathana uyathanda ukubona abantu belwa. Thina was joking kwadlaleka kabi ningabe senixabanake. Then Dumi responded, what, don't worry, me and Thina are good. We spoke and all is well. That brings us to the end of this video, guys. Do leave your comment below and share your feeling about this whole incident. Have a nice day. Bye.